Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Microsoft 365 subscription and admin permissions so you can provision sites. Once confirmed, choose whether you need a communication site for broad publishing or a team site for collaboration. That choice shapes templates and permissions. Make sure to prepare the site name, URL prefix, logo, primary owner, and initial members. These inputs speed provisioning and prevent later renames. So enter them now and move directly to creating the site in the Admin Center. You now create the site in the Sharepoint Admin Center. Click New Site, select Team or Communication, and supply the name and URL. Once created, configure privacy settings, public versus private, and apply site classification or sensitivity tags so compliance and access align with policy. Next, customize global and local navigation, add site pages, create document libraries with folder structures and metadata, and set default permissions for groups. This ensures content is discoverable, and you finish by enabling versioning, retention policies, and configuring external sharing rules so governance is baked in before people add content. Once done, test the site with owner, editor, and viewer accounts to verify permissions and navigation. Correct any gaps immediately so users don't get blocked. After testing, publish the home page, announce the site with quick start links, and provide a short training or cheat sheet. If something breaks, check permission inheritance first. Resetting it often resolves common access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.